In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to use the green screen or the green screen effect in your videos. But yeah, let me show you what it actually looks like, more like a practical.
Not too close to the train, but yes, this train is actually thick and it is done on a green screen.
Now, that video you saw was a combination of me actually shooting a video and a green screen that was added to the video. And yes, explaining what green screen is all about. This is where you have a file or project, a film, a motion graphics that was all shot but has its background all green. Now, the green background is what you're going to be removing from the video and adding your own part of the video. Now, removing the green background is what we call the green screen effect. That is where you use the chroma effect in your editing software to remove the green background and add yourself to the video. And yes, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to do it, whether you have a green background, a blue background, or you do not even have any background at all. I'm Sam Favor and this is TechLensTube, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. And yes, do well to share this video to that your editor friend that actually really should know this. Let's get edited.
First things first, you import your videos. That is first the video that you shot. Then for me, I also import the bird video and the train video. So this is the first one, which is the train video, the second one, which is the bird video. So I would put the bird video as the first overlay. First off, I will adjust it to fit the screen, and yeah, not every part of the screen because I don't want it to be filling up the space. Then look for overlay and overlay it, take it to the beginning of the frame. I will click on the green screen video. I would look for remove BG. When I click on remove BG, I'll click on chroma key, and then I'll select any part of the green color, and then I would adjust it, increase the shadows or reduce the shadows so that the green would leave the screen. So when I click good, that will be it. Now, if you notice, these birds, they did have some bars. Now, if you notice, this bird green screen video had some bars because it was in a vertical format, but the birds were kind of in a horizontal format. So what I would do is I would go back and I would adjust this. Now, to adjust this, I'll click on transform, resize, and yes, I would remove this part of it. I'll remove the black bars in the video. I'll remove the black bars. So as the black bars are gone, good, you can see that the birds are here already and they look nice now. So the next thing I'll be overlaying would be the train video. So this is the train video. I would click on it. First off, so this is the train video. First off, let me resize it. So I resize this video, and after resizing it, I would overlay it. I would make it big to fit the screen. When I click on overlay, it goes down, and yeah, it will be on the second part of the overlay as I've shifted it to this part. Now, this is what I want to achieve. I'll click on it, the same thing, remove background, and then chroma key. I would intensify the chroma key and remove this. So you see how it blends very well with the background. So this is the background. If I play the video, now, after reaching this part of the video, what next I'm going to do would be first to export this. Why am I exporting it? To make it a lot more easier. You see that I'm at the back. It looks very unreal here, but the train and the bed are okay. So I export. After exporting this, I turn on a new project, import my already exported video, and then import again the new video, that is the actual video of what I had already shot. When I add it, the second video, which is this one, I would overlay the main video. Now this is what it will look like when I've overlaid it. So what I'll do, I'll click on the video that I overlaid and remove the background. Now I will do auto removal, or if you don't want to do it this way, you can do custom removal, and then you clean out the parts you want it to stay continuously in the video, and then the other part will be erased. And while you've done this, your video will come out like this. So you see how realistic it is. You can now export your video and use it for whatever you want to use it for. Now, if you want to get all the green screen effect that I used in this video, comment the word green screen and I will send it over to you.
I'm sure you now know how to apply the green screen effect while shooting your videos, while editing your videos. And yes, do well to use it in your next video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and yeah, without talking much, I will see you in my next video. Peace.